Hello students, today I am doing the problems from the topic compound angles in the exercise 3.3. Prove that cos of pi by 4 minus x into cos of pi by 4 minus y minus sin of pi by 4 minus x into sin of pi by 4 minus y equal to sin of x plus y. We have to prove that sin of x plus y. To prove it, take LHS. Here LHS equal to cos of pi by 4 minus x into cos of pi by 4 minus y minus sin of pi by 4 minus x into sin of pi by 4 minus y equal to, it's in the form of cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. We know that cos A cos B minus sin A sin B equal to cos of A plus B. The formula is here we are having cos of A plus B. So it's equal to, it is A, it's B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Sin A sin B. So here now we have to write formula here cos of A plus B. So cos of pi by 4 minus x plus B equal to pi by 4 minus y equal to pi by 4 plus pi by 4 equal to pi by 2. So cos of, we are having pi by 2 minus x minus y equal to cos of 90 minus of x plus y equal to, minus we have to take common here. So minus of, we are having x plus y. Now cos of 90 minus alpha, cos of 90 minus alpha equal to 90 minus alpha, first quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. So we have to take the sign plus. Whenever we have 90 or 270, cos becomes sin alpha. Now it's equal to, in the place of alpha here we have x plus y. Cos of 90 minus alpha, here it is alpha. Cos of 90 minus alpha equal to sin alpha. Sin of alpha equal to, here we have x plus y. We have to prove that sin of x plus y equal to RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Next problem, sin of n plus 1 into x into sin of n plus 2 into x equal to cos of n plus 1 into x into cos of n plus 2 into x. Here LHS equal to, we have cos of n plus 2 into x into cos of n plus 1 into x plus we have sin of n plus 2 into x into sin of n plus 1 into x equal to, it's in the form of cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. So the formula is, we have cos A cos B plus sin A sin B equal to, we have cos of A minus B. Here we have, this is A and it is B, and a n plus 2 into x, here also same, here also we are having same a here. So now here it is b, it's b. Now it's in the form of cos a cos b plus sin a sin b equal to cos of a minus b. So cos of a equal to n plus 2 into x minus b, minus b equal to, here we have minus of n plus 1 into x, so that it's equal to n into x plus 2x minus of, take bracket, nx plus x, nx plus x equal to cos of nx plus 2x minus nx minus x plus nx minus n becomes 0. So equal to, we have cos of 2x minus x, 2x minus x becomes x, so equal to cos x. Here we have to prove that equal to cos x, therefore which is equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Next problem. Prove that cos of 3 by 4, 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x equal to minus root 2 into sin x. LHS equal to cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of, you are having 3 pi by 4 minus x equal to, now here we have to apply cos of a plus b formula, and here we have to take formula cos of a minus b. Since cos of a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x can be taken as, which is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b minus of cos of a minus b formula is cos of a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. It implies cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x equal to, according to this cos of a minus b, we can write it as cos 3 pi by 4 into cos x. Next plus sin a, here a is 3 pi by 4 and b is x. So plus sin a sin 3 pi by 4 into sin b sin x equal to cos 3 pi by 4 into cos x minus sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. Now multiply these two terms by minus, so then it becomes minus cos 3 pi by 4 into cos x minus sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. Now these two are cancelled. So now it's equal to, these two are same terms. Since we have minus a equal to minus 2a, we can write minus sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x minus sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x equal to minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x, which is equal to 3 pi by 4 can be taken as minus 2 into sine of pi minus pi by 4 into sin x equal to minus 2 into sine of 180 minus alpha. Sine of 180 minus alpha. 180 minus alpha lies in 180 minus alpha lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive. Whenever you have 180 or 360, the trigonometric function will not be changing. So we have to take sine alpha only here. So plus sine alpha. So it's equal to, in the place of alpha here we have pi by 4. So minus 2 sine pi by 4 into sin x. Sin pi by 4 means 45 degrees. Sin 45 degrees equal to 1 by root 2. So minus 2 into 1 by root 2 into sin x. So minus 2 can be taken as root 2 into root 2 into 1 by root 2 into sin x. So equal to minus root 2 sin x. We have to get minus root 2 into sin x, which is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Prove that tan of pi by 4 plus x by tan of pi by 4 minus x equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole power 2. LHS equal to tan of pi by 4 plus x whole by tan of pi by 4 minus x equal to, here we have to take formula tan of a plus b. The formula for tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan of a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Now tan of a plus b formula we should apply here. A is pi by 4 and b is x. A is pi by 4 and b is x. So tan of a plus b equal to tan a tan pi by 4 plus tan b tan x whole by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan b tan x tan of a minus b tan a minus tan b whole by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Now it's equal to, here we have tan pi by 4 means 1, 1 plus tan x whole by 1 minus tan pi by 4 means 1 into tan x whole by tan pi by 4 1 minus tan x whole by 1 plus 1 into tan x. Now this can be written as, which is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x into 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. We know that a into a equal to a square, a plus b into a plus b equal to a plus b whole square. So it can be taken as 1 plus tan x whole power 2. 1 plus tan x whole power 2 whole by 1 minus tan x whole power 2 equal to a power m by b power m equal to a by b whole power m. Now you can write it as 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole power 2. We have to prove that 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole power 2. It's equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. 12th problem. Prove that sin square 6x minus sin square 4x equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. Here LHS equal to sin square 6x minus sin square 4x equal to, the formula is sin square A minus sin square B. It's in the form of sin square A minus sin square B. The formula for sin square A minus sin square B equal to sin A plus B into sin A minus B. We know that sin A plus B into sin A minus B equal to sin square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus cos square A. Cos square B minus cos square A. Then it's equal to sin square A minus sin square B equal to sin of 6x plus 4x into sin of 6x minus 4x equal to, here A equal to 6x, B equal to 4x, sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B equal to sin of, here we are having 10x into sin of 6x minus 4x equal to 2x. We have to prove that sin 2x into sin 10x. So LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Next, 13th problem. We have to prove that cos square 2x minus cos square 6x equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. Now, cos square 2x LHS equal to cos square 2x minus cos square 6x equal to cos square A minus cos square B. Equal to, we can take it as cos square B minus cos square A can be taken as sin of A plus B. Here A is, this is B, cos square B minus cos square A. So sin of A plus B, sin of 6x plus 2x into sin of A minus B, sin of 6x minus 2x, sin of A plus B into sin of 6x minus 2x equal to sin 8x into sin 4x. We have to prove that sin 8x into sin 4x, which is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Prove that cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x equal to 1. Solution. Take x plus 2x equal to 3x. Apply cot here. Cot of x plus 2x equal to cot of 3x implies, we know that cot of a plus b equal to cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Cot of a plus b, here a equal to x, b equal to 2x. So cot a cot b, cot x into cot 2x minus 1 by cot b plus cot a cot 2x plus cot x equal to cot 3x by 1. By cross multiplication, we get cot x into cot 2x minus 1 equal to cot x plus cot 2x into cot 3x. It implies it's equal to cot x into cot 2x minus 1, multiply these two terms with cot 3x, then we get cot x into cot 3x plus cot 2x into cot 3x. It implies, write cot x, cot 3x and cot 2x into cot 3x from RHS to LHS. Then it becomes cot 2x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot 2x equal to plus 1. So here we have to prove that cot x into cot 2x minus cot 3x into cot 2x, that's cot 2x, yeah. Next, minus cot 3x into cot x equal to plus 1, hence proved. Next problem, show that tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. Solution, take 3x minus 2x equal to x, or we can take 2x plus x equal to 3x. Apply tan on both sides. Now here, apply tan on both sides. Tan of 3x minus 2x equal to tan x. Tan of a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Now it's equal to tan of a minus b, a equal to 3x and b equal to 2x. Tan of 3x minus tan a minus tan b tan 2x whole by 1 minus tan 3x into 1 plus into tan 2x equal to tan x by 1. On cross multiplication, we get tan 3x minus tan 2x into 1 equal to tan x into 1 plus tan 3x into tan 2x. Now it implies it's equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x equal to tan x plus tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x. Now write plus tan x from RHS to LHS. Then we get tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x equal to tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x. Hence proved. Prove that sin of x plus y by sin of x minus y equal to tan x plus tan y by tan x minus tan y. Solution: LHS equal to sin of x plus y whole by sin of x minus y equal to sin of a plus b formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b whole by sin a cos b minus cos a sin b equal to, here we have to get in terms of tan. So to get in terms of tan, we have to divide the numerator and denominator by cos x into cos y. Divide numerator and denominator by cos x into cos y. Then we have sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y whole by cos x into cos y whole by, we are having sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y whole by cos x into cos y equal to, now here we have to separate. So it implies sin x into cos y by cos x into cos y plus cos x into sin y by cos x into cos y whole by sin x into cos y by cos x into cos y minus cos x into sin y by cos x into cos y equal to, here cos y cancel, then sin x by cos x equal to tan x. Next we have plus cos x cancel, sin y by cos y tan y whole by cos y cancel, sin x by cos x equal to tan x minus cos x cancel, sin y by cos y equal to tan y. It implies we have LHS equal to RHS, hence proved.